It's been a while Itel has actually made a significant improvement in their devices, but the Itel P38 series, which I'll be covering in this video, is definitely an improvement to the previous Itel devices we've gotten so far. So if you end up enjoying this video, click on that like button and that subscribe button as well. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Plastic is the norms for entry-level devices, and the Itel P38 isn't an exception. I kind of like the design as well. It reminds me of the TechnoSpark 8P. Subscribe so you don't miss my video on the upcoming TechnoSpark 90. It's going to be an interesting one. The Itel P38 comes in 3 colors, which includes glacier blue, spruce green, and nebula black. Interesting names for sure, but it's just blue, green, and black. Let me know your favorite color of the Itel P38 in the comment section below. Mine is the spruce green color. We get a huge 6.6-inch IPS LCD display on the Itel P38 with a 720p resolution. No high refresh rate though, which is kind of a bummer, but it's actually expected since it's Itel we're talking about. But hey, it is what it is, I guess. Still on content consumption, the Itel P38 will be okay for the mass majority of people who are looking to get the device, and on top of the display is a 5 megapixel camera in the dated water drop notch. The Itel P38 comes right out of the box with Android 12 Go edition, which I am actually shocked to see because I was expecting like Android 11 Go edition. But hey, it's nice to see Android 12 Go edition on this device. Bear in mind that you won't be getting software updates, but you'll be getting the occasional security patches, which will be okay and will satisfy the people who are looking to get the Itel P38. Under the hood is a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor coupled with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which can be expanded using a memory card. At the rear, we get a dual camera setup consisting of an 8 megapixel main camera and an AI camera capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second. The Itel P38 and the P38 Pro aren't camera-centric devices, so keep your expectations at a minimum. Powering the Itel P38 is a 5000 mAh battery that should last you an entire day, and when you need to charge, you can charge your device quickly using the 15-watt fast charger included in the box. I mean, by today's standards, 15 watts isn't all that fast, but coming from Itel is a huge leap from their 5-watt chargers they always give us in their previous devices. Now, it should cut the charging time for over 2 hours to more than an hour, so you should expect less than 2 hours charging time from the Itel P38 series. Security wise, you get a rear mounted fingerprint scanner and a less secure face unlock. The other major difference between the Itel P38 and the P38 Pro is in terms of RAM and network. Now, the Itel P38 Pro should have 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, or 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and it should also have 4G. The Itel P38 is a 3G device, and I wouldn't really expect or advise you to get the Itel P38. Rather, I'll advise you to wait for the Itel P38 Pro, which is a better deal if you are bent on getting an Itel device. Now, Itel hasn't disclosed the price of these devices yet, so I can't give you any price, but based on my knowledge of Itel devices, it should be less than 60,000 naira or even 50,000 naira. But hey, you know these dollar rates are just fluctuating every day, so whatever I say here might not turn out to be true, but I'm fairly confident that it will be less than 60,000 naira. But hey, if you want to get the Itel P38, you should be able to get it using the link in the description below. You can pre-order it since, yes, you can just pre-order it using the link in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on the Itel P38 series in the comment section below, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.